Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to define default godowns in a packing slip entry. By default, the godown drop-down list displays all the available godowns. To define the default godowns, open the configuration window and navigate to the other options section. Here, you will find the option labeled Default Godowns. Enable this option, and a list of available godowns will appear. Select the godowns that you want to display while creating a packing slip entry, and save the configuration changes. Now, initiate a new packing slip entry. As you can see, the godown drop-down list now displays only the selected godowns.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.